Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristin. Today I'm going to do something completely different than I've done so far. I'm going to attempt to film a vlog style video of myself going to Walmart and doing their online grocery shopping. I want to take you through the whole process because I know this is a new service that Walmart's been rolling out across the country. We finally got it in my area and I'm so excited. We tried it once and I absolutely loved it. I get nervous when I try new things. It's so stupid, but I made my husband come with me to try it the first time so that I knew what to do. And now I'm fine going by myself because I know what to expect. So just in case any of you get anxiety like I do, I'm gonna show you exactly how the whole process works here so you can feel confident trying the online grocery shopping in your area. If you've been wondering how this works, then stick around. The best thing about this is that you can totally stick to your budget. There's no more excuses for accidental overspending because as you add items to your cart, you can see exactly what your total is at all times. If you go over your budget, you just delete items. Okay, so it's the last day of school. The kids just got home and we're headed out the door. We're gonna go grab lunch as a family and then we're gonna go pick up our order from Walmart online grocery shopping. So we just finished lunch and I got the email that our Walmart grocery order is ready. So I'm just gonna go to the app and check in and that'll let them know that we're on our way, and I'm gonna show you the pickup process. When you pull up to Walmart, you want to look for these orange pickup signs. And they'll direct you to the online grocery pickup area. This can be different at different Walmarts, but here at ours, we just pull into these designated spots and the app alerts them when you've arrived and they will bring your order right out to your car for you. If you don't have the app, it gives you a number that you can call to let them know that you've arrived. So here they come out the orange door and they'll bring your groceries right to your car and put them in your trunk for you. I don't know if I'm allowed to film them. I don't want to get in trouble. I'm gonna hide. Hi! My husband always is intent on going out and helping him.
So there's no substitute.
Then they give you a little phone to tell you if there's any substitutions that they maybe were out of, and if so, they will give you a comparable product, even if it's more expensive, for the same price that you paid for what you ordered. And they put it in your trunk just like that, and you're good to go. You're not even supposed to tip. They say tips are not accepted, but smiles are.
And they're not supposed to get out either.
All right, guys, so that was the whole process, start to finish, at Walmart when you do their online grocery shopping feature. Be sure to check the description for a link where you can get $10 off your very first order. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.